Hey guys, I'm Magid Aziz, and I teach Tabla here on Magid Darabuka. And today we're talking about the most common question any beginner asks. How long does it take to get good at Tabla? I get this question all the time. And honestly, I used to answer it in a certain way. But something happened a few days ago that made me rethink everything. I asked AI, if someone is learning Tabla, how long does it take to become professional? And the answer honestly shocked me. It said, you can become a professional in about 6 months and 27 days. I was like, what? I usually tell people that 6 months is just when you start understanding your level. But wait, there's a small detail. Those 6 months are based on practicing all day. No eating, no sleeping, no job, no life. Just Tabla. Now let me ask you, is that realistic? Of course not. Okay, let's be more realistic. Even just to get past the beginner level, you need around 80+ hours of actual practice. Same problem again. No one is going to sit and practice 80 hours straight. So, are these numbers wrong? No, they're actually very accurate. We're just understanding them the wrong way. That time is not meant to be done in one shot. That time is meant to be accumulated. What does that mean? It means every great player actually did put in those hours, but over days, over weeks, over months, not in one day. And here's the most important point in this whole video. The real secret to learning Tabla is time plus consistency. Not practicing for 1 hour, then disappearing for a week. No. What matters is, even if it's just 5 minutes, but every single day, that's how you win. That's how you beat someone who practices for 1 hour, then disappears for a whole week. Now, that sounds great, but how do we actually apply this? This is where Tabla Gym comes in. But before I explain it, you need to understand something very important. Lessons on the channel are one thing, but Tabla Gym is a completely different game. Lessons teach you how to play, how to position your hands, how rhythms work, and that's very important. But is it enough? No, because understanding does not mean you can play. How many times did you watch a lesson and say, yeah, I got it? Then later, you realize you actually can't play it? That's normal, because there's a huge difference between understanding and doing. And this is exactly where Tabla Gym comes in. Tabla Gym is designed to turn you from someone who understands into someone who can actually play. How? Very simple. Through real practice. Not just watching. You train with me, using a timer. Instead of saying, go practice Maksum, I tell you, let's play Maksum for 2 minutes, and I play with you while you follow. Done? Great. Now try 3 minutes, then 5, then 10, all the way up to 30 minutes if you want. This builds your muscle memory, your timing, your control, not just your understanding. And here's the key difference. Lessons equals open the door. Tabla Gym equals makes you walk through it. You'll notice your hands getting faster, cleaner, more comfortable. That's when your level starts to really change. That's when your hands go to a whole different level. So, if you truly want to improve, stop asking, how long will it take? Start asking, how much time am I putting in every day? And if you want to start the right way, I'm going to start posting daily Tabla Gym sessions with real timers and real practice, from 1 minute all the way to 30 minutes, depending on your level. So pick your level, start today, and let's build this step by step. Drop a comment below. What do you want to train next in Tabla Gym? And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the next sessions. I'll see you in the next video.